Shenseea performed live in Miami, sharing a stage with 50 Cent and Trey Songz. Also, Jada Kingdom get upwards of 7 new tattoos, including some face tats. Full details on these stories coming right up.
Number 1, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, I'm in a high spirits because I see dancehall are going all across the globe, right? I'm glad for a break too from the little fake news and the little blah foolishness them we are going out there, and we have something where substantial where, really means something, and it's a good thing for the artists them and for the culture. So today I want to show you Shenseea perform with 50 Cent and Trey Songz in Miami. So I have a video clip me I go show you real quick. So later on we are going to talk about Jada too, right? But before we get to all of that, Shenseea we are deal with, right? So take a look at these people. Proud moment, Shenseea, 50 Cent and Trey Songz. So here goes, take a listen.
You're feeling amazing, I'm feeling blessed, my pussy's blessed, girl, we good. Drop that drop, DJ.
What you say about your pussy?
It's
Good Lord.
I should have said, what's up? First thing in the morning. When I wake up, I got my life. Look at the
Wait a minute. She said the pussy was blessed. She said her pussy was blessed. She Give price. I believe her. Sure. Yes, sir.
Yeah, people, so on the think, it look like our vibes are what? 50 Cent shared on his page and him tag Shenseea. Ramesh go over there and comment because Shenseea hasn't been online since June 1st.
I'ma put the wig aside and rub off my makeup. Cause some dread the outer road need for one like haircut. Oh, no signal, not sound like it a break up. The fireman, them asleep, now what time for wake up. But can we need some Marcus, yeah?
So I'm going to read a comment where somebody make under one of Jada tattoo picture. This person say, you can tell something is really going on. She is not the same. The media don't make it better for her either. With all the harsh comments, praying she get the helps she needs. Most people are say something wrong with Jada, make she go get that bunch of tattoo, including all the face tats. People may go tell another story they're coming up, but before that, may I have to introduce you to our new song, a powerful song by Tashina, and this song is called Injustice. So let's get into it.
You don't get to kill him.
Oh, they get to kill yourself.
Yeah.
So true that now them back sorry.
Box me.
Oh, they never get to kill him. What happened?
Because me lay down upon him and a ball for murder.
You lay down on your son?
Yeah, and a ball for murder.
JB Productions, Tashina. How many years nobody I look cold?
like I said, the artist name is Tashina and she's a native of the Tower Hill community. And the song is produced by JB Production and him have a lot of producer credits. Me I go tell you about them in a second.
I'ma put the wig aside and rub off my makeup. Cause some dread the outer road need for one like haircut. Oh no signal not sound like it a break up. The fireman them asleep, now a time for wake up. Because we need some Marcus Garvey. None of them around. Some shop you got too soon.
And if I one thing me love though, I review good song, good music, right? And it all better when it come from a female. When you hear a powerful female, I tell you say injustice and I cry out. When you hear in the intro of the video, the mother says she lay down upon her son and then nobody kill him. That's what me I talk about.
All my people under bondage. Free we up, you know. Injustice. Where is the future for our children? Tell me what I want to do. So me want to know. Tell me what the hell them a teach in the school. Tell me how this run away with no spoon. And tell me how cow jump over the moon. Them a take with it fool like we a cartoon. And a Tom and Jerry. And a Pink Panther. Who want know what one we need answers. Mr. Government, Prime Minister. What you want do to my sweet Jamaica?
And people, me know say that song is a real song because the song just posted on YouTube little bit over 2 weeks ago and it's already past 100,000 views. So I know say people are click on it, people are listen to it, people are return for listen to it.
Cause if the youths them can't buy food for eat, me know I know them buy gun. Them for stop pray for woman and we fit to know. Injustice. Oh, my people under bondage. Free we up, you know. Injustice. Where is the future for our children? Tell me what I want to do. Never designed with us in mind, and that's why the system failed. For so long they lock us down, but we can't get no bail.
So people, me definitely have to talk about the visuals. The music video itself is clean. It's in widescreen to you, so I say big widescreen. So if you watch this on your big TV, full up the whole screen. If you don't know what I talk about, right? The production itself, people, very clean, very clean. And like me tell you, the producer is well established. He produced a lot of Vibes Cartel songs and other people, right? Jevelani, Chronic Law, lot of people. And let's talk about the artist herself. You hear her vocals, them stretch. She sound well pan beat, pan key, everything, right? So, may I tell you no people, that song here I go places. It's already on its way.
And they say they care about us, but I lie them I tell. And Babylon, we see right through you, fake just like my fingernail. Injustice. Oh, my people under bondage. Free we up, you know. Injustice. Where is the future for our children? Tell me what I want to do. We want the authorities to stop abusing them authority.
Yeah, people. So once again, the song is called Injustice. The artist is called Tashina, and it's produced by JB Productions. I'm telling you, so JB produced a lot of songs in the dancehall. I'm have a voice note where I'm gonna make him telling you some of the songs.
I produce Vibes Cartel, It's a Sin, Vibes Cartel, Run Dancehall, Vibes Cartel, Best Fuck Ever, Jabalon and God of War, Laba still there. I produce Beanie Man. I have a new song I drop with Spice. Also, I have a song we drop with Tour Lens.
Yeah, people, so no hear what go on and no joke thing, big production, right? So no check out the song and please give me a rating in the comment section on the song, 1 to 10, right? But people, let's talk about Jada Kingdom. So Jada Kingdom got some new tattoos, including some face tats. And the last video I do, I say, you know, I think she cover up her boyfriend name, but now it's apparent people like it's covered. That's why I say when I go see in them video and she got some other tattoo, but people are say boy tattoo them just look like they don't really mean nothing, like I just ink for ink, you know what I mean? So when I see them on the screen right now and people are concerned like she just do this for, I don't know, like something wrong with her or what. But more often know a full no opinion. People can just get tattoo, right? People not have nothing wrong with them if they get some tattoo. However, you know what I mean? People are say it kind of looks strange and weird. So I want to know what you think about this down in the comment section. So big up on yourself. Thank you for watching.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.